Hi everyone. Today our maths lecture is related to our worksheets of World of Numbers. Pages of worksheets 6 and 7. So open these worksheets. Come on page 6. Topic is I can trace. Yes, you can trace. Here are some tracing: horizontal, vertical, half circles and full circle. Simply you will trace them. Okay, come and trace with me. First of all, trace the horizontal line like this. Wow. And now it's turn to trace the vertical lines like this. These are vertical lines. Here are half circles, trace them. Yes. And you will trace the full circle on given dots. Yes, it's a full circle. Similarly, you have to trace over the dotted pattern on page 7. Good. Do your work now. Bye-bye.